नवे वर्स नाताल मनोवपाक फॉरेनच्यान गोंयकार आयल्यात. तांकां क्वॉरंटायन केल्या. कांय जाणांक दिल्लीत क्वॉरंटायन केल्यात. कांय जाण पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्यात. तांकां ESIत घाल्यात. तांकां सारकी सोय दिल्ली ना. ते खूब कमी लोक आसात. सरकारान तांचेर लक्ष घालचें म्हण कुडतरीचे आमदार आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डाची मागणी. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विशाल साळगांवकर.
Now, as far as quarantine and as far as other issues are concerned, foreign आमगेले लंडन सा आमगे गोंयकार येयले. Some with Portuguese passport, some with Indian passport येयले. तांकां बड्यांक क्वॉरंटायन केले. थोड्यांक डेली क्वॉरंटायन केले. थोड्या गोंया येयले आनी गोंया टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह जाले आनी तांकां ESIक आयले. There are around 35 people who have come and they are in ESI. तांकां फॅसिलिटी देखून प्रॉपर ना. They are ready to pay. कोण इन्फेक्टेड आहा तो आनी ना तो टेस्ट येयले बगर कोडपा ना. तांकां सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग ना. तांकां कांय सारकें ना. तांकां फॅसिलिटीज आहाय. मुगे गव्हर्मेंटाक I want to bring to highlight this issue in front of the government. They need to be protected. They are all calling to each other. ते बरे येयले हॉलिडे क्रिसमस न्यू इयर गोंयान सारको म्हण. तांकां चिंतन जालें. They are thinking whether to come back to Goa or not. So don't allow. There are few people. Pay attention to them. The test which has gone to Pune has not come. Nobody knows when it's going to come. They don't even know when it's going to come. So muge request our government, give them proper directions, shift them if you want, because some of them are already 4-5 days inside, some of them are more than 7 days inside, and some of them, now there is a case in Delhi, 7 days one girl has been quarantined. I've spoken to the Delhi administration to see how best you can help her. 7 days they are quarantined already in a hotel, kept separate, negative. Now they are told to quarantine more 15 days. So I call upon the Chief Minister, I call upon the administration to pay attention to these people. I'm writing to them also. I've highlighted the issue. I've told the collectors this issue. I've told I'm sending some details to Chief Secretary also. But thank others. They are our own citizens. At one time. Now some of them may not be because of the positions. But they going to. They go raha sogale tension gara ko quarantine.